Hello students, this is the second part of your topic degree of comparison. The first part I have already given as a video. Okay, so there is nothing more to explain about degree of comparison. Only the thing left is for you to practice. Just practice properly, then it is easy for you. There's nothing any more points or any more things to discuss about degree of comparison. Whatever I have discussed in my first class of degree of comparison, that is in the part 1 video, that's enough for that. And just after that, it only the thing needed for you is to practice. So the much you will practice, the more you will can do the sum. So today also I am going to discuss some more questions for your practice. So let's start. So here question number 1, Ashoka was greater than most other Indian kings. So here this is written in which degree. First of all, you have to find out. In exam it may ask you to change in the rest of the degrees. Okay, like 3 degrees are there. If positive given, then you have to change to comparative or superlative, or it may given as to do as directed. Suppose positive is given and it is asks you to change into superlative, so any kind of question may come. So that is why try to change in the rest of the 2 degrees, whatever the alternate degree you will have. Okay, so Ashoka was greater than most other king. Now here the adjective is greater and it is written in comparative form. It means you have to change in the rest of the 2, that is positive and superlative form. Okay, so Ashoka was greater than most other Indian kings. So here Ashoka was compared, this person is compared with most other Indian kings. So how we can use positive degree? So I already told, one way is to change into negative form, another is positive. Negative form means no other like that, positive means very few. Okay, so this one, as most other Indian king is given, so we will use very few. Very few kings, sorry, Indian kings, very few Indian kings. Okay, here was given, so you have to use the verb in past tense. So you have to keep you have to see the verb also, whether it is written in present or past. If is given, is, was given, was. So very few Indian kings, here where we will use very few Indian kings were as great. The positive form of greater is great. Very few Indian kings were as great as Ashoka. That's it. Next, this is in positive degree. Okay, now let's change into superlative. Superlative means the greatest. Superlative means the greatest will come. Okay, so how you will write? Very simple. Ashoka was the greatest king in India, or in India is totally optional, you can skip up to here. Ashoka was the greatest king. As either Indian is mentioned, so I have written India. Okay, next, I hope you understood this too. Next, number 2, Guwahati is bigger than any other cities in India. So bigger, it is written in comparative form. Change it into positive and superlative. So how we will write? I think you got the good idea. So Guwahati is here Guwahati is compared with any other cities in India. So you can use any one, no other or very few cities. So I will use negative. No other cities in India. Here is given, so present form is as big as Guwahati. No other cities in India is as big as Guwahati. Superlative means the biggest, you have to write the biggest. So Guwahati is the biggest city in India. So this is the answer. Hope you understood this too. Let's move to the next. Number 3, Arjun is better than all other boys in the class. So better is the comparative form of good. Better is the comparative form of good. Good, better, best, right? So it's positive degree. There we have to use good. In the superlative degree, there we have to use best. So Arjun is better than all other boys in the class. So all other boys means no other boys here. No other boys in the class is as good as Arjun. Okay, and the last, that is superlative degree. Arjun is the very simple best boy in the class. That's it. Hope you understood this one also. Silver is the most valuable metal. Sorry, not silver actually. This one is supposed to be gold. Gold is the most valuable metal. So it is most given means superlative degree. So change into positive and comparative degree. No other metal is as valuable as gold. This is written in positive. Now comparative will be gold is more valuable than. So gold will be compared with any other metal. Any other metals. Gold is more valuable than any other metals. Okay. The Brahmaputra is the longest river in India. So the longest means superlative. Change into positive and comparative. So how we will write in positive? Is the longest river in India. So you can write no other river. No other river in India is as long as Brahmaputra. This is written in positive. Its comparative will be more longer. So Brahmaputra is longer than here any other. So Brahmaputra will be compared with, here second name is not there, so we will take any other river in India. Any other rivers, sorry, not river, single rivers in India. So in this way we have to do the question for degree of comparison. So there's nothing, any difference is there. What I told in part 1 and part 2. Part 2 is the revision of few questions. So I will share some questions with you. You please try to solve it by your own. I already told that there's nothing more to explain about this topic. All the questions you have to solve in this way only. So the thing is that better you practice it more and more. Okay, so here whatever the questions I have written, you write the questions and try to solve the answers by your own, and then after you check the video, whether check the answers given in the video, whether your answer and my answer it matches or not, and if not matches, then there is some problem, you just rectify it, and in this way you will learn how to change the degrees of comparison. Okay, so for today this much. Thank you.